Alam namin nabitin kayo doon sa pinost naming part 1. Kaya naman, salamat po sa 30,000 views na binigay nyo sa aming video. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This fully furnished rest house for sale is located in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. It has a lot area of 912 square meters, floor area of 605 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, up to 6 car park, living, dining, and main kitchen, secondary kitchen, lanai with bar area, pool, billiard room, gym room, and a spacious balcony. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.
A lot of you has been requesting for the part 2 of this amazing property. And we are now back here in San Antonio, Zambales for the full tour of this amazing property that is for sale for 70 million pesos. So let's check it out. As we can see, this is the side of the house. Of course, we have a greenery right here, the sliding gate over here, and our pedestrian gate. And guys, this is your private access to the beach, which is 5 minutes away by foot, okay? So 5 minutes lang, nasa beach ka na. How cool is that? So let's enter through this pedestrian gate. Yan, upon entry, guys, first thing na mapapansin ninyo are these beautifully placed cobblestone sa ating driveway. We have a 2-car na covered carport dito. 2 cars can easily fit here. More cars can fit here because we have this half-court basketball court na may tempered na ring. Imagine playing with your friends here or your family. Very, very nice. Let us appreciate the side of the house. And of course, guys, come here. From here, playing your basketball, you will also see the view of the Zambales mountain ranges over there. Nice, no? Okay. By the way, sa likod ng garage natin, may storage area tayo dito for your car stuffs or other items ninyo. This way naman is our way to our service area. Yan. Very nice yucca plants. Siguro by now you can tell that the house design is industrial. We have a mixture of black, wood, diba? And some light colors on the interior. We have this wrap-around balcony or decking na weatherproof, so rain or shine. Very nice yan. Very nice yucca plants right here. This sliding door right here is our home gym, but later on we will go through the inside, no? The actual front of the house is right here, guys. Imagine, no? Very nice architecture. Kudos to the architect na nag-design ng house na to. Cobblestones, continuous yan, up to the pool. We have breeze blocks here, kaya talagang presko. Although it's sunny, mafe-feel mo yung ventilation nakakapasok because of the breeze blocks. This is the front pedestrian gate. And we also have one on the side, right here. Super amazing. Yan. Now guys, check this out. Your very own swimming pool. Really nice choice of color. This is not the usual sky blue. Para siyang turquoise ang atake niya. And of course, yung reflection ng water, at siyang ang napakaganda, very inviting. Very inviting yung pool natin. Especially on a sunny day like this. More greenery all around. Of course, you have your pump room behind this. And of course, what's a pool? A beach house without a bar. We have this bar right here, wooden top, of course. Lagyan lang natin yan ng mga stools right here. Of course. Beautiful stone detail sa wall natin. And this door, hindi halata, is your toilet and bath. So you have a shower. Yan, rainfall shower head after mag-swimming. Dito, you have a toilet. And of course, your sink. Of course, let us take note, my bidet. Okay? Very, very nice. Na-imagine ko, oh, serving your friends and family dito, nachos, drinks, habang may view ka ng ating Zambales mountain ranges over there. Let us also note, the ceiling design is also wood. Tapos meron tayong wood design din na ceiling fans. So, presko na, pinapresko pa. Okay? By the way, guys, all of the side doors dito can be opened para yung indoor-outdoor mag-mix together. So, this one can be opened. Also, the side over here can be opened. Sobrang presko niya. This is my second time touring this house, but I'm still amazed. Okay? Now, this is your front door. It's wooden. And of course, you have an electronic lock. Remove lang natin yung shoes natin, guys. Of course. Let's enter.
Please verify your face.
Upon entry, mapapansin nyo agad itong open living space. Pan natin nga from here all the way through there. Okay? Now, upon entry, makikita nyo agad itong napakalaking couch dito. It's a leather material na couch. Right here. Sarap mag-chill, di ba, with your family and friends. Dito, you have a large television right here sa inyong console. Storage below. And of course, yan, maganda yan pag may video okay dito. Oh. We can have our video okay, di ba? Very nice. And also, all of the areas dito sa interior natin are air-conditioned. We have this installed, yung Daikin air conditioning natin. It's a very good brand. We have a powder room right here. You have a toilet and a sink. This is accessible for your guests, of course. Your breakers are hidden dito. Hindi halata na may breakers ka dito. And my favorite part is the show kitchen. Do you agree, guys, that this is one of the most beautiful kitchens we've seen in this channel? Amazing. You have a countertop right here for your breakfast nook. You have a marble countertop right here for preparation. Storage below, of course. Yan, we have drawers and storage right here for your glasses and other stuffs, of course. Very nice setup naman yung ating kitchen sa likod because we have integrated na yung ating microwave oven, our range hood. Of course, we have our sink and our two-door refrigerator right here. Tapos, ang daming storage above and dito sa ilalim. Okay? Of course, yung mga party needs natin, nandito pa rin sila. Now, of course, we have our dining area right here. Solid wood, 10-seater dining table. Very nice. Tapos, napansin ko guys, yung cushion niya, very comfy. Diba? We have this nice industrial design pendant lights. And like I said kanina, this can be opened completely. If you want the outside in and the indoor out. Para kang walang feeling of indoor or outdoor kasi nag-mix na siya right here. So, di ba? Very nice bonding with family and friends. Imagine kids swimming at the pool, kayo nagkukwentuhan dito. So amazing. One more look sa ating dining. Sa ating kitchen. Of course, we have our stools right here if you want to have breakfast or some drinks with your friends. And guys, while seated here, I can't help but admire the ceiling design that they made dito sa house na to. Really modern and tasteful. Yun ang masasabi ko. Tasteful ang design. And of course, we have this strip pendant light sa ating kitchen for preparation. And of course, one more look sa ating living area. Ganda, no? Before we go to the other areas, silipin din natin yung ating service area. Okay? This door leads to our service area. We have our two-door refrigerator. We have our sink and our range dito with range hood. Of course, this skylight na nagbibigay ng brightness at ng airiness sa house na to. And this door can be opened. This is going to your basketball court and your garage. Of course. And cobblestones din. Hindi pinabayaan yung side natin. Okay? Now, hindi na lang natin i-open tong door na to, but this door is your staff room. Okay? Nandyan si Generous. Okay. So, of course, ang hinihintay nyo is the second floor. But syempre, silipin din natin, i-recap natin yung ating other areas sa ground floor. So, we have a hallway na may malalaking windows that can be opened for ventilation. Guys, also, may screen na rin siya for protection from insects. Okay? Then, we have a bedroom on the ground floor. So, this is ideal if you have guests or if you have elderly. Diba? Very nice room right here. We have our bed. Of course, our leather-lined headboard. Our wooden accents. And of course, our cabinets na built-in. Tapos, ang ganda kasi flush yung kanyang handle. May ceiling fan na rin. And also, guys, again and again, the doors can be opened so you can access the outside. Okay? Now, and ang napansin ko, guys, all of our finishes are stucco finish. Up to the ceiling din. Ayan. So, very nice, no? This is a toilet and bath sa ground floor. We have our sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Really nice. I think this is ideal to be a primary house or a rest house or an Airbnb. Actually, maganda to if you want to have a business Airbnb. This room naman is our billiard room dedicated for your hobbies. So, if you want to play billiards, ayan siya. Diba? Ito yung mga tako natin. Of course, we have our high-speed internet right here. We have a storage for your board games dito. And of course, a TV if you want to watch soccer, basketball, and all. Dyan yan. And this very nice light fixture above the billiard table. So, very nice bonding place din to for your friends and families. Air conditioning, of course. And also, we have a door that leads to outside if you want to access the wraparound balcony natin. So my favorite room, of course, is the gym. Really nice space ng gym natin. Rubber ang flooring natin. Of course, we have these surfboards, which I'm not sure again if included to kasi may surfing spot dito, but it's nice, no? We have this manual curved treadmill. Imagine guys, nagti-treadmill ka dito, tapos you have a view of the Zambales mountain ranges. So imagine. Okay, of course, kompleto ang gamit ng ating gym. Dumbbells, barbells, and all. Ayan. Really, really nice. Once again, the doors can be opened if you want to access outside. To your basketball court, and of course, the front of the house going to the pool right there. Nice, no? Let's go back in. Now, alam namin nabitin kayo. This is now the part 2 of our first video na upload, the second floor. Once again, our hallway, very nice. Stucco finish up to the ceiling. Dito sa ating living area at sa LDK natin, we have this very nice ceiling treatment dito, well lighted. And of course, natural light coming in. All side doors can be opened if you want to access indoor and outdoor. Now let's go up this stairs going to the second floor. Wooden steps, wooden handrail with glass support, stucco finish. On our mid landing, we have this very nice light fixture. It looks very nice at night. We have this large window right here to let the natural light in. More steps and we are at the second floor. So we have a hallway right here going to the balcony right there. But first, let's check out the first bedroom on the second floor. This way. First bedroom on the second floor. We have this very nice setup because meron tayong dalawang double bed right here. Leather line ng ating headboard. We have outlets on either side. And of course, we have these switches na accessible para hindi ka natatayo. And my favorite part of this room, of every room, is this view of the Zambales mountain ranges through this large sliding door, and of course, this balcony. Imagine waking up to this, right? Let's head back. Ang ganda, no? Now, all of the rooms on the second floor have their own toilet and bath. So this one, built-in cabinets right here. Flush din ang kanyang mga handles. We have the sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with a big window for ventilation and natural light. Tapos ang ganda ng door natin kasi frosted siya. So, yung light papasok pa rin but may privacy. Okay? Now, to the next bedroom. Of course, another spacious bedroom right here. Really nice. Dahil pang space, oh. Dahil pang space. Of course, we have our built-in cabinet. Our side tables are right there. Similar yung ating headboard. And of course, may balcony access also with the view of the Zambales Mountain right there. Can we zoom? Zoom natin, guys, Ayan, para ma-appreciate ninyo. Kasi bumalik tayo, guys, para talagang makita nyo ang ganda ng location at ng mismong property na to. Okay? Come in. Dito pwedeng may console. Then you have your TV right here. Really nice. Air conditioning is Daikin. Very good brand. Another nice bathroom right here. We have our sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower. Of course, our door also is frosted. Really, really nice. And napansin ko, guys, yung ating mirror is lighted and heated. So, pag nag-moist siya, madali siyang ma-defrost. Parang ganon. Okay? Now, the best part. Ang inaabangan ng lahat. Even me, is the master bedroom. And I think it's really worth the wait na makita natin to. Are you ready? Let's go in. Welcome to the master bedroom. Upon entry, you have a leather sofa right here. Of course, stucco finish and wood accents. We have our air conditioning, Daikin. We have a large television right here, console, and of course, this very nice carpeting. And the bed. King-size bed, side tables on either side. We have outlets. You have USB and USB-C. By the way, guys, USB and USB-C. Very nice headboard. And of course, we have this sliding door, which I think we'll save for later. Let us first check the master bathroom. Upon entry, very generous space for your closet. You have closets right here. You have a vanity over here, of course. More closet space right here. And nakikita nyo na guys, we have a sliding door that leads to your master bathroom. Once again, probably one of the best bathrooms na nakita ko. This is your sink, your toilet, your enclosed shower, rainfall shower head, and of course, guys, your very own bathtub overlooking the Zambales mountain ranges right there. Imagine mo, nag-relax ka dito, tapos kita mo yung mountains dyan. And if that's not enough, this door can be opened for more fresconess. Imagine that. Ganda guys, no? I know I'm super fanboying right now, but sobrang worth it ng bahay na to. We have this louvers right here na nagfi-filter para hindi sobrang direct ng light going into the It helps with the cooling and dun sa light na pumapasok sa bahay. Ito yung master bedroom, of course. Then guys, you have a spacious balcony right here that can be accessed, come here, through this side door. Diba? Remember yung hallway natin kanina? Pwede kang directly going through here. And also, it can be accessed through our master bedroom. Tapos, this way, you have this very nice view of your swimming pool. Naririnig nyo ba yung hangin, guys? Sobrang presko. Very relaxing. How do I end this? If you're interested to view this property, give us a message so we can accompany you going through here. And once again, thank you so much for everyone who watched our part 1. Sorry nabitin kayo, but as promised, this is our part 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
This fully furnished rest house for sale is located in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. It has a lot area of 912 square meters, floor area of 605 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, up to 6 car park, living, dining, and main kitchen, secondary kitchen, lanai with bar area, pool, billiard room, gym room, and a spacious balcony. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.